will be making lemon curd. So what we need is just 5 ingredients. Lemon juice, 100 milliliters of it, 3 large eggs, 50 grams of butter cut into tiny pieces, 150 grams of granulated sugar, and lemon zest from one whole lemon. You can use this tiny grater to grate. No, that's necessity. So first we'll get our sugar and mix it with our eggs and add lemon juice to it as well. Just mix it in. So now we need to create like a double boiler. So what I have here is a pot of water, and we need to bring it to boil and then put our egg mixture on top of it and just start mixing until it's all thick, glossy and nice. Bit loud, and you have to stir it or whisk it. So you need to keep whisking, otherwise this is gonna get curdled and you'll get really sweet scrambled eggs, and you don't want that. As you can see, the mixture is thickened up. It's like a curd, basically. So this is the consistency. And if you run your finger through it, it's like that. It doesn't come together. So that's the right consistency, that's what you want. Okay, let's sieve it. As you can see, there are little pieces, bits and pieces of the egg. So that's why you need to sieve it, so you don't have that in there. So it's nice and smooth. And just mix it in until it's all melted. It's gonna melt a bit. Doesn't want to go, but we'll make it go. So, and mix it in. And that's pretty much it. So it's hot, so it's a bit runny still, but as it cools, it will thicken up even more. So now you need to cover this up with a cling film. That's it. And I'll put it right on top of it. That's how you prevent it from creating the crust. So let's do that. And you can keep this in the fridge for a week, and if you need it and you need the mixture, the curd to be a bit runny, you can just heat it up a little bit. It's totally fine. Okay. And when it cools, I'll just put it in the fridge because I'll be using it tomorrow, not today. So that's it pretty much. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.